Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to fix freezing and stuttering issues in Forza Motorsport. So first of all, you should know the system requirements. So the minimum requirements is for the memory 16 gigabytes. For the graphics card is the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 or Radeon RX 590. For CPU, we have Intel Core i5 8400 or Ryzen 5 1500X, and the file size is 110 gigabytes. The OS is Windows 10 64-bit. For the recommended specs, we have the memory 16 gigabytes, graphics card is NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 or Radeon RX 6800 XT. For CPU is Intel Core i7 10700K or Ryzen 7 3800X. For the file size is 110 gigabytes. For the OS is Windows 11. The next one is to update your drivers. Outdated or corrupt drivers can cause issues like crashing, freezing, stuttering, and lagging while playing Forza Motorsport. So to update your drivers, you can use a driver updater tool like Driver Booster. This tool will scan your system for outdated drivers and update them automatically. Next is to close running applications. Running too many applications while playing Forza Motorsport can cause performance issues like stuttering and lagging. So to avoid this, close all other running applications before launching the game. Next is to remove connected device. If you have any connected device or additional USBs connected to your Xbox, remove them and restart the console. Sometimes these devices can interfere with the game and cause issues like crashing and freezing. Next is to uninstall and reinstall the game. If the above fixes don't work, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the game. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.